What's up everyone, welcome to my 5th tutorial on XHTML. Last time I told you guys how to create a definition list and an ordered list, and this time we're going to be learning how to create an unordered list. Now an unordered list is the exact same thing as an ordered list, except that instead of using numbers or letters to order the information, it just uses bullet points instead. And to create one is very simple. You start out with a tag UL for unordered list, and it ends with an ending UL tag. And in between here is all the information we're going to put for our list. And just like an order list, any items that go in it begin with a LI tag that stands for list item. Type this is item 1. And it ends with the ending LI tag. Now let's put in a second item. Type in LI. This is 2. End it with the ending LI tag. And we'll put in a third one just for fun. This is item 3. And end it with the ending LI tag. Now let's save this and take a look at what it looks like in Internet Explorer. As you can see, instead of the numbers 1, 2, and 3, this one has bullet points. So this is better if you have a list that you don't need to put in any particular order for your items. But say you wanted to change these bullet points to something different, like a square. Well, if you would like to do that, then you would need the type attribute. Now instead of putting a letter A or a number 1 like you did in an order list, you would change the bullet points to something else. Say if you wanted to change it to square, you type in square. Now if we save this and take a look at it in Internet Explorer, you'd see that instead of small circles, that you have a square for your bullet points. So again, the type and the square for your value, and this is the attribute. I'll include some different things besides square that you can add as a type on my website. But for now, let's get rid of this, the unordered list. And say you wanted to indent something, but you didn't want to make a list. Well, to do that is quite simple. Let's just add some text. This is some text. And let me just copy that and paste it a few times to represent a paragraph. And say you wanted to indent everything from this to this. Well, to do that, you would add something called a block quote. What a block quote does is indent all the text that's its surrounding. So to do that, type in block quote for your opening tag, and wherever you want to stop indenting, add a end block quote tag. So this is our beginning tag, this is our ending block quote tag, and all of this should be indented, and this should be aligned to the left because it isn't enclosed in our block quote tag. So let's save this and take a look at what it looks like in Explorer. And as you can see, this is still aligned to the left, and our paragraph is indented. And say you wanted to apply this to a paragraph. So all you need to do, say you had a paragraph right here. Here's our opening tag. This is a paragraph. Let me just copy that and paste it a few times. And this would be all the text that was in our paragraph. And it ends, of course, with the ending P tag. You need to put the block quote tags right here. And you would put the ending one right before your last ending paragraph tag. So again, directly outside the paragraph, but before the paragraph tags. Make sure that this is totally enclosed within the paragraph. If you have one outside and one inside, then it's just not going to work out. So let's save this and take a look at what it looks like. As you can see, our entire paragraph is indented now. So if you want to indent without having to make a list, the block quote tag is the best way to do that. So in the next tutorial, we're going to be learning how to change some different things with the font, such as the size and the color of the font and what type of font it is, and also be learning how to bold and make our font italics. And if you're not already there, you can go to my website www.thenewboston.com, and I'll give you a step-by-step instruction on everything we learned today. Thanks.